do better than that, man. Support the supporters. Artists support artists, man. That's the problem. That's why these South boys is winning. Everybody act like they don't want to show love. Yo, throw on that first joint. I need to wake everybody up. No. That ain't it. Hey, yo, you from the 90s, you know this, right? Turn it down a little bit so they can hear me. Come and talk to me, I really want to meet you, girl. I really want to know your name. Oh, come and talk to me, I really want to meet you, girl. I really want to know your name. Oh yeah, baby. You look so sexy, really turns me on, blows my mind every time I see your face. Sing it with me, y'all. You look so sexy, you really turn me on. Smile, baby. You having a good time tonight. I'm sorry, don't beat me up after the show. Hey, hey, that's what I'm trying to do. I ain't scared of nobody. Talk about it. Sing along, y'all. I've been watching you for some very long, trying to get my nerve built up to be so strong. I really want to meet you, but I'm kind of scared. You're the kind of lady with so much class. Get my thoughts together for the very next day. But when I see you lately, I forget. Come on, y'all. Your eyes and hair, beautiful tone, way you dress and walk, it really turns me on. Oh, it really turns me on. Come on. Hey, I really wanna meet you. Can I talk to you? I really wanna know you. Come and talk to me. Really wanna be. I came to have a good time. Oh, y'all sit tight, y'all shit. Wanna know you. Huh? Oh. There you are again. The same smile on each day. I wanna know what. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for a survivor. Breast cancer awareness. I know y'all can do better than that. Tell you what it means to me. To see you walking my way, it really makes my day. Before I go to sleep, I dream about you. I'm a single man, I'm hoping you are single too. My God said something set my mind free. Curiosity's begin to hell out of me, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Talk to me. Hey, come and talk to me. My ladies really wanna meet you. Can I talk to you? Oh yeah, really wanna know you. Come and talk to me. Oh, really wanna meet. Whoa, I got you. Can I talk to you? Hey, I really wanna know you. Oh, hey, hey, no. Don't tell me your name. What's your name, beautiful? What is it? Haley. Give it up for Haley too, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Show me some love. Hey, yo, we can clip it. This next joint is St. Laurent. You have to see a video coming for it real soon. It's called All of My Nights. I don't know if y'all can tell it's nice, baby. Turn it down a little. Check it out. place, wondering how long it'll take till I find my baby. Never gonna stop the chase. Truthfully, I don't mind. Every time I see you, feels like it's my first time. When I see you smile, it does something to me. Chills run through me, I can't lie. All my nights, all my days. How many of y'all had a crush from back in the day? You know what I'm talking about? Have you seen all of my nights, and all my days, and all of my days? Have you seen? Feeling this now when you move. I can't help but notice you, girl. I wanna get close to you. Every little thing that you do makes me want you more. It's true. I think I love it over. Before we get us down, it's touching. Pretty and thing I want so. I think I want anything much as I want you. I want you, baby. I want you, baby. I want you, baby. Yeah, I spend all my days. I love y'all energy tonight. It ain't gonna stop me jumping around. Hey, all my days looking for you. Have you seen? Feeling your style the way you move. Feeling your style the way you move. Feeling your style the things you do. Oh, feeling your style the way you move. Feeling your style the way you move. Feeling your style the things you do, baby. Thank y'all very much. That's my singing for all of my nights. Video coming soon. Coming real soon. I wrote this last week, recorded it, but I liked it. It's called My Aaliyah. If you was in the 90s, then you know what I'm talking about. Before Beyonce was lit, Aaliyah was lit. I'm trying to tell you, and I always wanted a nice fly chick like Aaliyah. Check it out. She's so fine. Hair laid to the side, she's so fine. I swear I love her design. I gotta try again. Even if Romeo must die, 'cause she's hot like fire. Make a play, wanna retire. I'm so fly. They don't know what to do with it. I'm so into you. What if your girl only knew I do anything for my queen of the damn? 'Cause you're more than a woman. At your best, you're more than a woman. I care for you, baby, you so fine. I got your back. I hope you got my everything. She's on the fire with a thing I like. I got to know what's the deal with me and you, girl. Are you feeling me? 'Cause your love, I want you to be my Aaliyah. Yeah, I want you to be my Aaliyah. I want you to be my Aaliyah. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I really need somebody. Tell me if that's somebody, Aaliyah. I want you to be my Aaliyah. Baby, you to be my Aaliyah. No, no, no. When you ride the boat, ride the boat, ride the boat. That's enough of that. I ain't getting no good at that. I just want to give you a sample. We'll do the last joint. And just stop the music for 1 second. Just stop it for 1 second. Hey, yo, I want to thank y'all. Y'all been so cool. Y'all been so... Oh, snap. Hold on. I want to thank y'all for being such a nice crowd. Thank you, girl. You gotta wait till I get up the stage to tell me that. Hey, look, let me get him just a little. No, just hit it real fast. Now that's it. One time, get a little bit of it. Just a little bit of it. Just a little bit. Just play it. Just play it. Just play it. Quick fast. Quick fast. Quick fast. Quick fast. You gonna like the song. You gonna like the song. If you don't like it, we cut it off. No? Damn. Thank y'all. Y'all been kind. Y'all been cool. I enjoyed myself if you did. Y'all have